Here you guys go, part 2 of how I do my dominoes, my popular beach dominoes. The iridescent shells in here I actually bought. They're from New Zealand. I forget the exact name of them. I think they're abalone shells or something like that, but they're beautiful, beautiful. So go back and watch part 1, how you do the first layer in the dominoes to set your shells or whatever else you're going to put in there. Let that layer dry. If you're using our fast set swiftpoxy, I let it dry about 3 to 5 hours. Then I come in and make another batch and put my glitter over the back. Then wait 5 hours, and then I demold them. And then I scrape the edges because sometimes there's a little bit of an over pour, but you can just scrape it off with your fingernail. And then you add your white acrylic paint or whatever color you want to use, the line and the little dots on the dominoes. And then I'll let these dry for a few days. And they'll come in a little cute little colored bag, and I'll get them listed on the website. So I hope you guys like watching this, and these are super fun to make because you can pretty much put anything inside of these. So we hope you all have a great 2023.